Assalamu alaikum. How are you today? Today I got a surprise for you. We are building DIY, a solar system. The sun is made for us, but it has a little problem, so we're going to fix it. I got my yellow brush. Let's lift it up and paint this area. Which little easy or hard? We got to paint the bottom, see? The whole sun isn't complete. Let's grab a little more yellow. It's fun doing such things such as making a solar system. Ooh, the sun is done. Now we got to go to the other planet. Which planet is next after the sun? It's Mercury! Let me show you Mercury. Wait, where is Mercury? This isn't Mercury, that's Mars. Over here is Mercury. The Sun and Mercury are now done. Now which planet is next? Venus. Let's find Venus. Is this Venus? Yes. Now let's color it. So, what color is Venus? Red and yellow. So, let's grab it. We got our brush again. And now, so now we're going to color Venus. Venus is a little yellow. Let's grab yellow and paint. Now I made the stand for myself so everything will be easy. Now it's the turn for Venus. Grab the yellow again. And is this Venus? Yes, this is Venus. How can we do the small lines? Let's add the patch to be yellow and give me red. Oh, let's add one side to be yellow. A little more yellow. Let's lift the solar system. Okay. The next turn is Earth. Where is Earth? Over here. Now what color of Earth? Green and blue. Let's first grab the blue. I got blue and now let me paint it gently. Oh, the sun dried. Oh, a little sun not dried. How will I do this? Okay, so we have to do this side. So now we done Sun, Earth, Mercury and Venus. So now which planet is after Earth? Mars. So we're going to do some red. I got the red color. Time to paint it a little red. Oh my god, it's moving. I will hold it still so it won't move. It's a little fun doing these colors with you guys around. Oh wow, it's getting so much red. It looks so much. Can you see it from that side of how red it is? I think this color red is a little bad. Let's move it a little here so I can paint this side. Now, red is done. Time to add a little scraps of brown. Now we did Mars. After coloring Mars, it looks like a strawberry. Before we move on to Jupiter, let's eat it. Okay, so what's the color of Jupiter? Jupiter is orange and red. So we are going to color it. So first we got the brush. And first we're going to color it orange. I got orange. Jupiter is already the biggest planet in the solar system. And I don't know why, but the strawberry, Mars and Jupiter are so close. Mars is the second most smallest planet and Jupiter the most largest planet in the solar system. Let's grab a little more orange. Okay. Wow. It's so orange, Jupiter. I think Jupiter's an orange king. But the sun has a little orange in real life. This is just a DIY. Okay, so let's color a little more. We are done with Mr. Jupiter. Mr. Jupiter also looks like an orange mixed with an apple pie. So now we're going to do Mr. Saturn. First we're going to do white strips. We're going to then do some brown strips in a while. First is these yellow strips. I have to be careful not to destroy the rings, or the whole set will get destroyed. Okay. So over there, the top layer of Saturn is almost done. Saturn's rings is dividing it into two places, the bottom and the top. Let's use a little more yellow for the bottom. So the bottom is over there. Let's lift it a little up. Ooh. In the meanwhile, we colored Saturn. We also colored Uranus and Neptune. If you want to tell them apart, Neptune is a little farther than Uranus. I'll show you. Can you see this is Neptune and this is Uranus? So you can easily now tell them apart. So let me tell you some things. We are going to start with moons. So Mercury and Venus over here don't have any moons because the sun can destroy their moons because of the gravitational force, okay? So, and Earth has one moon, as we all know. We see it shining right up in the sky. Mars has two moons, but they're very small and chunky. And these are the inner four planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are inner planets of the solar system, which means they're closer to the sun. Time to go for the outer gas giants. The gas giants have lots of moons. Jupiter has 64 moons, Saturn has 128 moons, Uranus has 28 moons, and Neptune has 14 moons. So, also, and the gas giants are bigger than the inner rocky planets, such as rocky Mars. And Mars still looks like a strawberry from now. And the sun, if the sun wasn't there, then everything would be living in dark and humans wouldn't be even alive. But you do know Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, and it spins around. It's the most fastest spinning planet. It can spin. This is how it looks like a rotation of the solar system. Can you see why Neptune isn't moving that much so quick, so is Uranus? Because these two are the farthest planets of the solar system. Oh my god. Okay, and Earth is the only planet in the universe that might contain life. There might be other alien forms of life. But that's it for today. Bye-bye.